How to clone GitHub repository. So this is really important thing to do. So first of all, navigate to your repository. So let me just go to my repositories here, and this is one of my repository which you can see here. Now if I go and click on the three list, there's not any option to clone it up. So first of all, you have to copy the repository URL. So click on the code button located above the list of files here. So let me just go and click on this. Now, once you do this here, once you click on the code button located above the list of files, you will see option for cloning by HTTPS, SSH, or GitHub CLI. Copy the URL provided under your preferred method, whichever you like. Now, open your terminal here or command promote, right? So, for example, on Windows, you can use git bash or command promote, as I told you. You can just go to search for, and here you can open this up. This is a command promote, right? And here you can just paste this up here. So I mentioned each and everything. Make sure you copy this up. So use a cd command to navigate to the directory where you want to clone the repository, for example, right? And clone the repository, type the following command and paste the url you copied earlier. Exactly in the same way, please enter, press enter. You should see output indicating that the cloning process has started. Right now, once cloning is complete, you can navigate into the clone directory using the same command which I mentioned here, cd your repository. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe.